Are you eagerly waiting to get the text from an image? Well, you are on the right place. Hi everyone, Raza here. Today, I want to show you how you can copy text from an image. We will look at a few different ways on how you can copy text from an image. And best of all, it is completely free to use. First, we will use Google Drive together with Google Docs. Head to the google.com and in the top right hand corner, click on App Launcher. This opens up App Launcher and then click on Google Drive. This opens up Google Drive and drag the image in from which you want to extract the text. After the image is being uploaded, so right click on it and open it with Google Docs. When Google Docs will open that image, it will extract the text from that image. And here you can see that the text is being extracted. Second, we will use PowerToys developed by Microsoft to extract text from the image. Head to Microsoft Store and install PowerToys. Once PowerToys gets installed, so open it up. And in the left panel, go down below and you will see text extractor. Click on it and then enable text extractor and you can see the shortcut combination. Press Windows key together with Shift and T. Here I have the image with text and I will press Windows, Shift and T and then I will highlight the text and the text is now being copied to my clipboard. And now you can open up any application, for example like Notepad, and paste that text. Next, we will use ShareX to extract text from the image. If you haven't heard of ShareX before, it is one of the most powerful screenshotting tools. Go ahead and install it from Microsoft Store. Once installed, open up ShareX and then go to Tools and click on OCR. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. And now I can highlight my text and there it is, the text is being extracted. Next, we will use OneNote to extract text from the image. Open up OneNote and drag and drop your image with text into OneNote. Then right click on that image and click on Copy Text from Picture. This will now copy text from the picture and now you can paste it anywhere. Lastly, we will use Word to extract text from the image. But keep in mind, this only works with PDF files. Here I have the PDF file and it contains image. Just drag and drop that PDF file into Word and click on OK. And you can see that the text is being extracted. Now, if you have an image or JPEG, still you can extract text from the image. Open up Word and click on Blank Document. This opens up Blank Document and just drag and drop your image with text into Word. And then go to File, click on Save As and click on Browse. And you can save it as PDF. And then you can upload that PDF file into Word again and it will extract the text from that PDF file. Alright, hopefully you are able to copy text from an image. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing and I'll see you next time.